Imagine lying down to sleep at night, your Android phone plugged in beside you, and by the time you stretch and yawn in the morning light, you've already made money. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's not only possible, it's easy, and I'm about to show you how. This is not about investing large sums of money or needing any special skills. All it requires is your Android phone, its charger, and a little know-how. Let's explore a world where your phone does more than just keep you connected. It becomes a tool for earning passive income. Yes, you heard that right. With a simple app from the Play Store, your nightly charging routine turns into an income opportunity. As intriguing as it sounds, it's a reality for those who harness the power of certain mobile applications designed to reward you for just keeping your phone charged. Let me guide you through the process, from downloading the application to understanding its workings and, ultimately, seeing the cash flow into your account. Remember, the key to success with this method is patience and consistency. The rewards might start small, but they grow as you continue. But how exactly does it work? The app runs in the background, collecting data on charging habits and duration, and in return, you earn points. These points can then be converted into cash, vouchers, or other rewards. It's a win-win situation. You charge your phone as usual and wake up to rewards. Let's unravel more about the application that's setting new standards in passive income generation. Modi Mobile, previously known as Current, is the beacon of hope for those looking to earn effortlessly. Just moments ago, I showed you a live proof of a $10 earning sent directly to me by Modi Mobile. And yes, that payment was as real as it gets, dated the 1st of March 2024. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. When you hit the reload button on the app, it refreshes to show you your earnings live, keeping everything transparent and upfront. This app isn't just about making promises, it's about delivering results. You're literally earning while you sleep, all through the simple act of charging your phone. Originally, Modi Mobile was a platform catering exclusively to the American audience. Searching for current.us without a VPN would hit a roadblock for anyone outside the US, showcasing the message, moodmobile.com refused to connect. This exclusivity, however, is a thing of the past. Now, whether you're tuning in from Nigeria, India, Pakistan, or any corner of the world, Mod Mobile has opened its doors for you. So, let's dive straight into the heart of how you can begin tapping into this incredible earning potential with Mod Mobile. First and foremost, launch the Play Store on your device and search for Mod N app. This simple action will direct you straight to the application in question. For those of you seeing this for the first time, my device already has Mod Mobile installed, which is why it prompts me to uninstall rather than install. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's start fresh to ensure you get a clear, step-by-step walkthrough. Once you hit the install button, you'll notice that Mod Mobile is not a hefty application, requiring just about 59 MB of your storage space. This means that almost instantly, you'll have the app downloaded and ready for action. Upon completion, a simple tap on the Open button post-installation whisks you away into the world of Mod Mobile. Upon your first entry, the app will present you with a choice. Sign up using your Google account or other available options. Opting for Google is the quickest route. For demonstration purposes, I'll use a dummy email address, one I've never used with Mod Mobile, to mirror the experience you'd have as a newcomer. Now, let's talk earnings and withdrawals. Mod Mobile lays out two primary pathways right from the start: PayPal or gift cards. This flexibility ensures that regardless of where you are in the world, cashing out your earnings is hassle-free. Should PayPal not be an option in your country, the gift card route is a viable alternative. These can be converted to your local currency through various online platforms, making the process smooth and straightforward. So, how do you kickstart your earnings on MOD Mobile? Initially, the app will query your daily charging routine, specifically how many minutes you can dedicate to charging your phone daily to earn. My recommendation? Opt for the 60 minutes per day choice. It's a realistic target that can easily be met with regular charging or through the use of a power bank. Upon selecting your daily charging commitment and hitting the Start Earning button, you're off to the races. For instance, charging your phone for 60 minutes a day could see you racking up 0.25 cents in a week. But remember, it's the accumulation of points from this and other activities that will swell your earnings over time. As a newcomer, your initial reward will be 200 points. To put this into perspective, reaching a withdrawal threshold of 0.25 cents requires amassing around 3,600 points. These points are earned not just through charging, but also via other app activities, all of which can be converted into cash or gift cards. Curious about the app's interface and other earning opportunities? The Explore option is your gateway to the diverse ways you can earn with MOD Mobile. From playing advertiser-sponsored games to streaming music, the possibilities are broad. However, our focal point for maximizing earnings, especially passively, lies within the Boosters section. By selecting the Boosters and navigating to New to Mode, Start Here, you're introduced to various earning activities. But it's the Charge Phone for the First Time option that we're zeroing in on. This feature underlines the essence of passive earning, accruing points effortlessly by merely charging your phone. As you delve into this process, remember, the key to maximizing your earnings is consistency and taking advantage of the diverse earning mechanisms within the app. Wrapping up our journey into MOD Mobile's world of passive earnings, it's time to dive into the final, practical steps to ensure you're all set for success. Follow closely, as these steps are crucial to unlocking the potential of earning simply by charging your phone. Head to your profile icon within the MOD Mobile app. There, you'll find a settings icon. This is your gateway to optimizing the app for maximum earnings. Tap on it and ensure every option is activated. Lock screen, charge screen, night mode, and push notifications. This setup is vital for ensuring you don't miss out on any earning opportunities, especially those that come from merely charging your phone. Now, the exciting part begins. Locate the option that reads, Charge Phone for 30 minutes. Yours might display, Charge Phone for the First Time. Clicking this prepares you to start the earning process. Grab your charger and connect your phone, whether via a power bank or directly to the mains. The beauty of MOD Mobile is its flexibility, allowing you to earn regardless of how you charge. As soon as you plug in, you'll notice an indication that you're now earning points for every second your phone charges. Keep an eye on the battery icon. As long as it shows charging, you're accumulating points. Locking your screen doesn't halt the process. Upon unlocking, you might see adverts. These are part of how MOD Mobile rewards you, leveraging ad revenue to pay for your charging time. When it's time to unplug, MOD Mobile will display your earnings from that charging session. It's as straightforward as that. Beyond charging, the app offers other earning avenues, like playing music or engaging with games, but charging remains the most passive method. For those eager to see their points translate into cash or gift cards, the process is simple. Accumulate points, aiming for 3,600 to hit the 0.25 mark, which is easily achievable with consistent charging. When ready to redeem, head to the home page and select the Redeem option. Here, you'll find various thresholds and their corresponding rewards, offering flexibility in how and when you cash out. Thank you for joining me in exploring MOD Mobile. See you in the next video for more insightful tips and strategies.